अस्सलामुअलैकुम। थैंक यू वेरी मच। मैं क्या कहूँ इतने खूबसूरत अल्फाज के बाद। आई एम मच obliged, Satwat. You are so kind. And coming from a man, a woman feels really good. My dear Rotarians, I stand here today on the 26th of June as your district chair for DISCON 2021. Actually, I was district chair for 1920 as well, which never happened. Sorry, Mubarak Saab. But COVID happened. The conference didn't happen. And when we had a virtual conference, which went very well, but now we are here in 21 in this hall. Even this time, it was a dilly-dally. Conference हो रही है, conference नहीं हो रही है, कब होगी, शायद नहीं होगी, hall देंगे, गवर्नमेंट इजाज़त नहीं दे रही, गवर्नमेंट इजाज़त दे रही है, 200 लोग आ जाएं, 50 लोग आ जाएं, and sorts of things like that. And finally, we set a date. We were going to have a virtual conference as well. We had 2 days of virtual conference. We had made agenda, we had the speakers. And I sincerely, as the district chair, apologize here for those 2 days that we could not have the conference. Because we had restrictions, we couldn't have a conference here. Because we had political issues, because we had election issues, because we had committees working for the conduct of the Rotary and Rotarians and clubs and etc., things like that. And while, I had compiled the program, somebody was saying, हम नहीं करेंगे, हमने बात करनी थी, अब हम नहीं करेंगे. कोई कह रहा है मैं स्पीकर था, अब मैं स्पीकर नहीं होऊंगा. So in the end, I thought कि ये haphazard सा program करने के बजाय it's better कि we should give it a break. My only duty here is, as a Rotarian, is to welcome you all, and I believe the Rotarians are educated people. I believe they are decent people. I believe they are loving people. I believe they are forgiving people. I believe they are friends. They believe they are more than our relatives. Then what is the fight about? And what we have not learned from our Rotary clubs and from the International Rotary. I think we should get on forwards in life and keep doing what we do best, is to love and to be happy. I recognize here our Honorable District Governor, Tazim Ahmed Kombo, who has been very kind to me, and he has been a very cooperative DG, just like Mubarak Sahab, who was also very kind and very, very helpful. I saw DG Tazim Sahab work so hard. It was so difficult and so new to have the Zoom meetings, but still our Zoom meetings were so regular and so well conducted that everybody was appreciating. We had international speakers. I congratulate you, sir, Honorable District Governor, for your hard work in the years 2021, and your lovely wife, Shala, was helping you all the time. She was everywhere with you. I wish to welcome and recognize our Honorable Chief Guest, PDG Jahangir Mughal from Karachi, to our district. And thank you, sir, for gracing Lahore and DISCON 2021. And thank you very much, sir, for gracing this occasion and being here with us in Lahore. We also welcome PDG Aziz Mehman Saab, who's very dear to our hearts, and I believe he's somewhere here in the hotel. I don't know if he's here. I also welcome Director nominee Faiz Kadwai. I was led to believe that he will be here. I also welcome and recognize Shala Tazim, who is our First Lady. She has been really wonderful throughout the year. I recognize here the presence of Honorable PGE, DGE, yes, DGE Saifullah Ijaz Saab. Thank you very much for being here. It shows your big heart and it shows that you're a nice person. DGN Saab, Adnan Rohela Saab, who's traveled all the way from Peshawar to here, and he's left his handsome father there, so we are missing him. We also recognize DGND, Salman Mubarak Saab. We want to recognize him. We are also very grateful to our past district governors for being there always with us. They are always here to help with the meetings. They are here to tell us, to guide us, especially past district governor Anthony Richard Saab, past district governor Faiza Kamar. She always is very gracefully coming to all the functions. PDG Shamsi Saab, PDG Parvez Ahsan Saab, PDG Iftikhar Ahmed Saab, he often comes. PDG Shehzad Ahmed could not come due to previous commitments. PDG Mubarak Ali Shah Saab, thank you very much for being here, sir. And here we especially remember our departed Sohail Ahmed Saab, who used to always come, and he was very aggressively showed his presence always. And PDG Mir Sahab, Mir Arif Ali. I really miss him because I worked with him as a president and he was always there for me, and I was the best president of that year, and I got so many awards from him, and I really loved him, and I'm so sorry Maru, he's not here. We all miss him. I'm sure you miss him. I wish to recognize all the deputy governors here, the assistant governors, the presidents, the secretaries, the Rotarians who have made it here, and spouses and Rotracts. I did not forget PDG Sajid Ali Bhatti, but I wanted to mention him with his in the end. But yes, I wish to say a dua for your mother, which we will do in the end. And thank you very much for coming, because in spite of your loss, you are here, and we are really honored that you are here. Whatever I do in this conference or whatever I do in life, my club is very important, and they are always there for me. I could not have been possible for me to do anything without my club members of RCL Shadman. They were the best club of 2019, and they are the best friends I've ever had. They are the best people that I want to be with, and they're always there for us. We love each other, we hate each other, we want to kill each other, but we are still together. So all the PDGs should learn from our club that we will fight, we will argue, we will love, and still be there always for each other. My club members, Dr. Jahangir and Seher, are really lively people. They're doing very good projects. Raza Khursan Saab and Farzana, Azmat Chaudhry and his lovely wife, Iftikhar Saab, and our past president Chaman Ara, Ghulam Mustafa Saab, and Rubina, Javed Manzoor Saab and Lubna Javed, Afzal Malik Saab and Zeenat. They're always there for us. They are corona fighters. So many of us had corona, but still we are around and kicking and happy. Tahir Manzoor Saab and Rubina, Zaka Saab, Kishwar Shah, Tasneem Kausar, who's our next president, Naila, and Rotarian Nasir Saab. And also, it could not have been possible without our club secretary, Atif Ghafoor. Atif, I'm really grateful for you, all what you do, and Rizwan, that you're always there for me. I wish all of you now to stop for a minute, and before I say Khuda Hafiz and go back and sit in my chair, for half a minute, I would like you to think of the wonderful people that we have lost during this year. I don't know, a lot of Rotarians may have had their losses, but जब आपको किसी का पता चलता है तो तभी आप उनके बारे में सोचते हैं. Life is short, life is happy, but it is short, and the ultimate truth is death. And please raise your hands for a dua for our departed post-district governor, past district governor, Mir Arif Ali. May Allah bless his soul. And at this moment, I also want to pray for mother of PDG, Sajid Parvez Bhatti, and all the departed souls which may have left us in this year. And please look after yourselves, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive for the next year's conference, which is going to be a wonderful conference, and you will enjoy the next year's conference. So put your eyes to the next year and have a great day today. After this, we have a wonderful program. Don't go away. Stay here and be happy.